My name is Nelvin Elí Amar Ortiz. I am symbol. Soy FE Norte de Santander. I am 55. I am agronomy. I am studying and wanting. I live in Abrego. In my free time, my life listen soccer.
What activities do you do every day?
At get up at 6 on onoming and then brush my teeth and take a shower.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and coffee elsewhere.
Where do you work and how do you get to work?
I work at fuel the naturally till Malbay and driving till my four.
What do you after work or school?
I learn English.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to sleep at 10 p.m.
What do you do on weekends?
I visit my relatives.
When do you go out? What do you usually do in your town or city?
I like drinking beer and play soccer.